Hey everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice, like Portuguese.
E é detalhado sobre o vídeo do Estabo, curar níveis e outras funções.
3% लोगों ने ही मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara
皆
mengatur
さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! Discord has posted a story about their birthday around 20 hours ago. You can go to its website to learn more. But I'll tell you, the event Discord is celebrating its 11th birthday with a free digital giveaway for all users. This isn't a Nitro trial or a subscription deal. It's a collection of assets you can download and use immediately. They've released a new set of birthday-themed emojis featuring Wumpus and other mascots. There are several custom-designed wallpapers available, specifically formatted for both mobile and desktop screens. The pack includes high-resolution anniversary artwork that you can save directly from their blog. You don't need a Nitro subscription or a specific account age to get these. You just visit the official blog post and use the download links provided for each asset. As a matter of fact, when I checked the comments on their post, almost everybody was begging for free Nitro more than wishing them happy birthday. Just like your comments on my videos. Just kidding. But y'all don't need to be sad, as we received free Nitro last year with no announcement. Discord announced it after giving us free Nitro. Anyway, I will make a video if I receive any Nitro news. You can subscribe and hit the bell notification to receive early updates.